Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Coconote AI note-taker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Coconote is an AI-powered note-taking app designed to help users capture ideas, summarize content, and organize notes automatically. It allows you to record audio, upload files, or type manually, and the AI converts everything into clean, structured notes. It's available on both Android and iOS, making it useful for students, professionals, and anyone who wants faster, smarter note creation. The app's main feature is its AI transcription and summarization. You can record lectures, meetings, or conversations, and Coconote instantly turns them into readable summaries and key points. It can also generate to-dos, rewrite text, and categorize notes automatically for better organization. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate transcription, clean summaries, and the time it saves during classes or work meetings. The interface is simple, and the AI results are generally reliable, especially for long recordings. Its automatic organization and search tools also help users manage large sets of notes easily. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced AI features require a subscription, and long audio files may take extra time to process. A few users also report occasional transcription errors in noisy environments or with unclear speech. The app also relies heavily on internet connectivity for AI features, which may limit offline use. In summary, the Coconote app may be worth using if you want fast, AI-generated notes, accurate transcription, and automatic summaries for school, work, or daily productivity. However, if you prefer fully manual note-taking or need offline access, some limitations may affect your experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.